come in if you want. Alright, yeah.
That's a sweet ride.
Ah, thank you.
I love it.
Exactly drive so sweet.
Oh, I love it. How's the MPG on it?
Oh, it's awful.
Oh yeah, like.
Everything on this truck is trash.
Oh man, I don't know. I take this any day of the week. Take this over any Lamborghini.
Oh yeah.
Oh, is the station closed?
No, it's still operating. Trains and stuff are still coming through. Just kind of stopping people, questioning people, see what's going on.
Oh, so you're still allowed to travel?
As far as I know, yeah. Yep.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for your service.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Is it okay if I shoot a picture of you guys?
Sure.
Yep. Alright, looking good. Alright, who's the boss?
Not me.
Yeah. Big boss man?
What's up? There you go.
Yo, I love it how you guys have the Humvees just chill in the front. Alright, I'll take a photo. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. How y'all holding up?
Good. As best as we could. Honestly, really, really well.
No licking doorknobs?
No, not at all. Not at all. Just doing our thing. That's it.
Yeah, no, it's you ever watch the movie I Am Legend?
Of course.
I'm like, yo, zombie apocalypse is on us.
I hope it doesn't get to that point. I really don't. But I would love to be Will Smith. That's a good guy right there.
Yo, all you need is the dog, the shotgun, and you gotta do is sleep in the tub with the shotgun. That's the goal. Yeah, I actually just rewatched it, and I'm like, yo, this is like, I'm sure, I haven't been to New York, but I'm sure this is what New York City looks like. Just like jump in somebody's Mustang and just do wheelies. Yeah. Oh, no, sorry.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna
sorry
ask you
about
to leave.
that.
We're trying to keep it clean.
Okay, thank you very much for your service. Thank you. All right, thank you for your service.
Yeah, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Looks like the U.S. military is locking things down at Providence Station. Yeah, holy moly, this looks like this thing is starting to get pretty serious. Yeah, so my current take on things is, yeah, like, I personally don't trust the news. I haven't been following the news, but I've just been walking around my city here in Providence, Rhode Island, just kind of observing, talking to people, see how it is. Looks like people's doing pretty good. Definitely some strong, like, I Am Legend vibes. Nobody on the streets. And yeah, I would suggest right now could be your chance to go out, shoot photos, shoot videos, talk with people, interview them, see how people is doing. Ask people, stuff like that. Could be quite interesting. So, it's interesting, like being here in Providence, Rhode Island. It's like, definitely I think Rhode Island is the smallest, state in America. So it looks like the laws are slowly kind of trickling down to us, not that much. Providence right now is like, it's like, there's still a decent amount of cars on the road, and you know, some people are still walking around, so I'm actually really happy that I'm here in Providence, not like a big city. And for the most part, it looks like people is pretty chill. There's a lot of people going hiking, camping, not camping, sorry, picnicking, walking around, enjoying the sun. So, surprisingly for the zombie apocalypse, the weather is actually super duper nice. So yeah, I just want to use this opportunity for me to just document kind of what's going around. Yeah, you got people on their bikes. Stuff like that. So, I mean, my thought is, like, thank God we're not fighting in a war. We're not, you know, doing anything that really putting our lives at risk. But man, I have deep respect for the military, the US government, the cops, everyone else who is fighting the good fight. So yeah, it looks like right now this notion is pretty apt. What doesn't kill you only makes you stronger. And yeah, hopefully we all together as a community, as a nation, as a planet Earth, we can all band together, help each other out, be kind, be more loving, be more empathetic, and thrive together.